So if you want to know the day of your class online, this is the site that you come. E-learn, we call the site e-learn, but this is the link here. I'll put the link in the description so you can see it here, elearn.nouedu2.net. Once you type it, it will take you to this site, or you check the link in the description of this video, because many students don't know you are to have class online, and each class have its day and time, and this is the site that you come and check to confirm the day of the class and time without even checking the timetable, because a lot of students are not even seeing the timetable, and many students are not attending to this class, and it's really helpful. So if you come to this site, you click on login. Sometimes if you click the link, you see something like this exactly. So you put your matric number. So here you put your matric number. So after that, you click on login. So although some need to sign in, there is need of signing in, because each semester they are updating the portal too. So you put your matric number, then you go in, they will ask you to change the password. So we have already changed the password of this. So you come in, this is what you see as your dashboard. So you click the three dots at the left side of your screen at the top. Once you click the three dots, you can see where they write the last one down, that they write my courses. So you click on my courses. These are the courses that this student register for this particular semester. So you click on my part 305 I mean. Once you click on part 305, you will see something like this exactly. So even though you are taking a TMA, we all know that we are taking it in this particular site. So you scroll down, you can see where you mark. So you can see here, the right Zoom part 305 elements of management. You see the time they write, join the live class on part 305 every Tuesday by 2 p.m. So every course you carry a paper and write 2 p.m. you have part 305. So once you click on it, be sure you have Zoom in your mobile phone. Any phone that you are using, you're supposed to have Zoom as a NOUN student. I already mentioned the list of applications that every NOUN student is supposed to have. So if you check the list of my videos, click the my account, you see the list, of course, the apps that every NOUN student is supposed to have, that will help you a lot. So we say we have part 305. Once you click on part 305, so I click it. Let's say on Tuesday 2 p.m. you want to join the class, it come like this. Once you click on join meeting, you can see join meeting, it will take you direct to this meeting, direct to the website. Even though they never started, it will tell you that it's loading. Once the lecturer wants to start to lecture, they will attend to you in a second. So that's how you check for. Then you go back and still click on this my courses. We check part 305. You go to ENT 303 so that you can write everything. Him too, you scroll down, you find Zoom. So if you can't find Zoom, that means you don't have class for this particular course. You can see this ENT 303. There is nothing like Zoom here. Online facilitation. Let me click on online facilitation, you can see nothing like that except your TMA. Let me click on the online facilitation. If they will bring Zoom, you can see nothing like that. So some courses, it's not all the courses that. Okay, this one is a live modified Tuesday 9th September. Okay, there's nothing like that. You don't have class already. You only read the course material because it's not book and difficult. So let's check the next one. Bus 325. The next one is bus 325. You write it down. I'm sure you have Zoom class for this course because it's too bulk. You can see this one too is Tuesday 12 to 1 p.m. Let me click on it. 12 to 1 p.m. You see, you write it down. Everything you'll be writing it down. As a new student, you'll find it. If you are doing bus 105 or GST 107, you see GST 107, you click this place, you click GST 107, You find the ST107 inside. Every course, you follow it one by one. Search, write it down, the days that you are having class, follow it, don't miss your class. They will tell you something that will help you. So this is how you do it. There is a lot of video in this channel that will help you. You just check and subscribe to the channel. I believe it will be helpful to every student. So help me to subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you and goodbye.